All right, we're going to get started with our math routines. So we need to do our calendar first. So we know today is Friday, September 11th. Let's count up to 10 together. Let's use our sign language if you remember it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's where we are. Whoops, we're on 11 today. That's a little bit confusing. Do you remember how many days there are in a week? There are 7 days in our week. Do you remember what those names are? Let's go through them together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Great job. Let's talk about how many days we've been in kindergarten. So, the first thing we always do is count how many ones we have. So, let's take a peek here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we are starting for our number sentence with the number 7. Because we've been, so far, our number in here is 7. So we're going to make a straight line across and a diagonal line down. Next in our number sentence comes that plus sign because we are adding. How many more sticks are we adding? How many do you see? Just one. Very good. We're going to draw that one. It's just a straight line down. And then we need to add that equal sign. Now let's count all of them together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've been in school for 8 whole days. So we're going to add in our 8 at the end. Now, kindergartners, I have a tricky challenge question for you. Today we're at 8 days of kindergarten. How many more days do we need to go to school for us to be in kindergarten for 10 days? I want you to think about that. And you could either use your fingers, you could use your 10 frame, you could use different objects to try to figure out the answer and see, ask your parents if you got it right. All right, so for today's lesson, we are talking about 2D shapes. So I'm going to share a really awesome 2D shape song with you. It's one of my personal favorites. So be sure to watch that. And then we're doing a few different worksheets. So we are starting with this Shape It Up page. So what we need to do on the top is drawing a line from the shape over here to its name over here. And then they want you on the bottom to draw those shapes. So let's go together. We're going to go over together what these shapes are called. This is a triangle, a square, a circle, a star, and a heart. So you might need help reading these words, and that's okay. But I want you to practice drawing the line from the shape to the word once you figure out which word it is, okay? And then you can use these pictures up here to help you draw it down here. And then on the other one, it is matching shapes to names, so very similar to what we did on the last page, except they have some different shapes in here. So we know the circle and the triangle and the square. Now we're adding in, this is called a rectangle, an oval, and a diamond. Okay, so have your parents help you figure out what these words are and draw a line to whatever shape it matches with. And then they're encouraging you to go around your house and find objects that are these shapes, and then counting those objects. So you can do that if you'd like. All right, I hope you enjoy the video and learning about your shapes, and I'll see you next week, Monday. Bye.